Celebrating its newfound partnership with Mississippi Gulf Coast Community College, Singing River Health System hosted a clinic open house at the Harrison County campus Thursday. In addition to vaccines and boosters, clinic workers handed out free Chick-fil-A sandwiches to visitors. Singing River also held clinics at the Jackson and George County campuses. Singing River representatives tell News 25 the health company has renovated the Harrison County campus clinic.
I think they're really happy to have us tied to Singing River here. First of all, we'll test them, a lot of COVID, a lot of colds, do their drug screens, all the things that need to be admitted to the different schools here in the junior college. So they're excited for that. And then for us, we're excited to hopefully get our people here on the junior college campus if they need longitudinal care. They develop diabetes or need a heart condition, to get them into our specialist on either one of our campuses in Gulfport.
The partnership between the two entities was announced at the start of this year.